Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 7 of the Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. And this one, apparently today we have 451 characters. What is wrong with you, Larry? Sort characters by frequency. Yeah. Hit all those buttons and basically, yeah, I think this is pretty straightforward. Yeah, I don't know that there's anything to describe. It has to be O of n at least because, you know, you have to look through the entire string, and then you just kind of want to sort it by, and you join it back to a string, sort it by, sorted by the frequency, and that should be it. And you want to sort by most, so maybe you want to do a reverse is equal to reverse is equal to true. I think it's the Python thing. That should be it, right? All right, but yeah. Ooh, what did I? Oh, there's a tiebreaker, isn't there? Oh no, because it's. Damn it! Did I do? If there's a Okay, well, then we just have to add an x. Well, now you know that I didn't cheat because just a really bad cheater. Man, do I get the same thing wrong every time? Did I get the same thing wrong every time? It seems like I do. I don't know. At least you can say I'm not consistent. I have to figure out how to. I don't know what to say about it. Right? It is just one of those things. How do I solve it usually? I guess I solve it usually the same way as well. Okay, look, right. So you probably have seen this video or some similar version. But yeah, I think even though this is very convoluted, the frequency table is pretty straightforward and is sorted. Using the sorting algorithm is pretty good as well. You can also do a sort of what you might call it, a frequency or like a accounting sort, of course, but instead of sorting it, because the reason why this kind of fails is that it's sorted by string. So maybe another way that you can win it is like return. Maybe something like you have f dot keys. We want to sort f dot keys by. Then now you could do it like this. You want to do reverse is equal to true. So then now this gives you a sorted list of keys, and then now you have maybe like so for x in this, you have x times f of x, and then you join this back in, right? Something like that. So maybe that's a little bit more reasonable, or like more kind of more natural way of thinking about it, even though and apparently correct because I think like the way that I end up fixing it is kind of a hack. It's just basically saying that for each character you sort it by the frequency, and then the tiebreaker goes to the actual character. But then here it is just actually more English, if you will, because you're just saying, okay, sort all the characters, or like sort the alphabet, and then that. So I think actually that's a pretty good point with the complexity, because I was actually going to lie about the complexity by accident. Because here, this one, I was going to say that you only sort the alphabet, because I think I just honestly implemented incorrectly. Because if you sort it by this, then this is actually n log n. This is O of n, and this is n log n. And what I was going to say is that you can skip the O of n, and alpha times alpha would be fine, but this is actually not alpha times alpha. This is n log n. So and this is actually alpha log alpha. Well, this is alpha times. This is alpha log alpha, and then the joining stuff is going to be linear, right? Or like the combination is all of them is just going to be the size of the input string, which is linear. So you have linear time, alpha space. O of so the time is going to be O of n plus alpha times alpha, or alpha log alpha, and okay, fine. And space is just O of a or alpha, right? So yeah, that's all I have for this one. Hopefully I solved it a little bit differently for y'all just for today, because apparently I solved it 4 or 5 times already, but still wrong 4 or 5 times. So you could say that I don't remember this problem because I don't even I don't know. Maybe next time. Maybe next year I'll remember this farm. That's all I have for today. That's all I have with this one. Let me know what you think. Stay good. Stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.